Madam, sorry. Thank you. We start. Okay. Good morning, everybody. Thank you all, especially in my life and for the constituency and for all the friends and families I have known all my years. Today I am announcing my campaigning and candidacy for elections of 2022. The reason, there are many, but the important reason is because I am a Goan first, and that boils my blood and gives me all the aspirations to do everything related to Goa and our villages. The situation today, what is going on, everybody knows, and everybody seeks to find a solution. But nobody comes up with a solution. There is only excuses which is happening all over Goa, and there is no answer to be given to the common people. आज एक नीज गोंयकारामुळे एक उतर ना, एक जबाब ना, लाखांनी हजारांनी लोक त्रासा आहे आणि हेच भाशेन मुखार हे सरकार आनी चलयतले जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता आनी म्हाका म्हज्या लोकांनी मुखार काडला हे इलेक्शनाक 2022 टू बोसपूर. तुमकां खबर आसतली हांव एक बारीकसो सोशल वर्कर आहलो आनी म्हज्या गांवांत असो कॉमेस करून धाकटी ऑफिसांत घालून लोकांक हेल्प करपाक आनी जायतो प्रयत्न चालू आसा आनी केलो. समाजाचो आधार म्हणून एक टॅग लायन हांवें ऑफिस कॉमेस केल्लें तें आज वाडून फुडें जावन एक 2 गांवांनी आनी तिसरी गांवांनी आनी 2 गांवांनी आमी ते ऑफिसांत तेजी लोकांक पावोवपाक द बेसीक नीड्स ऑफ पीपल. बारीक बारीक जी कामां आसता, एक पंचायती गेली हो एमएलए घरा कडेन आमकां भीक मागपाक पडटा, बाबा तूं सायन मार रे, तूं हें कर रे. लोकांक ती आयडियर ना आनी तीच आयडियर हांवें भोंवोन हें पळयलें आनी तेका लागून हे लोकां मुखार हांवें गांवांनी ही ऑफिसां घालपाक तयार केली. हें कोत्ता आसतना जायत्यो वस्तू म्हाका भोंवोन आयल्यो, जावं दी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, जावं दी गार्बेज इश्यूज आनी वेगवेगळे इश्यू. आनी हेच चोयता आसतना हांवें हो निर्णय घेतलो. मुखार म्हज्या सगळ्या सपोर्टर आनी कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीच्या भावा आनी भयणांक तांकां न्याय दिवपाक, आनी हो न्याय कितको मेळटलो जेन्ना आवाज आमचो पावतलो. आज आमचे त्या आमदार, नुवें कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीचे आमदार जो आज प्रेझेंट आसा, तुमी पळयत आसतले की फकत लेटर बरयताय. हेच पयल्यो आमी जायते लोक फुडें 4-5 फावटी जायते व्हडली संख्यांनी ते घराको वचोन जायती डिमांड करताले, जावं ते डबल ट्रॅकिंग, कोल ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन, CZLP, एक्विजिशन ऑफ लँड आनी वेरियस इश्यूज. पूण जेन्ना एक मनीस तेंच्या बाबूर भागार जाता तेकडे आन्सर दिवपाक कांय चान्स आसना. आनी तेंच हे आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीच्या लोकांनी ते काँग्रेस टिकेटीचेर निवडून हाडलेलो तो मनीस जेन्ना बीजेपी गेलो तेन्ना तेणें आमचे वोट ते इकून सोडले आनी आमकां इकून सोडले. आनी तेका लागून आज आमकां आमचे कडेन आन्सर ना. हे डिफाय करपाक हांवें हो निर्णय घेयला आनी हो डिफाय करपाक म्हाका तेंको म्हज्या सगळ्या गांवा भावांनी दिला. आनी वेगळे वेगळे जावं ते नागवा, येर्ना, नुवें, लोतोली उतोड्डा मजोड्डा आनी बेतलबाती आज आमची कोस्टल लायन आमचे नुस्तेकार भाव जावन दी आमचे लोटलेकार भाव सगळे खाजान सगळे एक आन्सर ना CZMP इज द बिगेस्ट इश्यू विच इज गोइंग ऑन आज क्रॉनिक कॅपिटलिस्ट सगळे भितर मंत्र्यांक आनी MLAंक बोडसां घालून आमची जमिन्यो घेवपा भायर सरल्या भावांनी बोडालो आज आम्ही एक youth, these young politicians, these young people whose blood is boiling, we need to come ahead. This is not only in my constituency. I demand in every constituency that young people should come ahead and face this. म्हाका कितें पडला कोता येवपाना आमी मुखार भायर सरपाक जाय आज हेच कारणाक लागून हांव डिक्लेअर करता that I am one and one with anybody because I know that I am out to do the right thing, to voice out for the people. म्हाका लोकां पाशी आनी लोकां बरोबर ही कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी म्हाका चलोवपा जाय आनी तेंगेले सजेशन आयकोन हे मुखार कितें ही 5 वर्सां म्हणल्यार लोकांचो भावानो हे एक लायफ एक क्वार्टर भायर सरता एक लायफाचो आनी 5 वर्सां हे इतले डिफरन्स जाला आतां गोंयांत आमी ते पळोवपाक पावल्या जेन्ना हांवें फर्स्ट वोट मारलो म्हज्या लायफाक म्हाका खबर आसली एक पॉलिटिक्स म्हणा आनी जे बाकी उरल्या तेणी डेव्हलपमेंट केला बीजेपी वचपाक गरज नासली आमचे रेजिनाल्ड बाबान आमचे लुईजीन बाबान सगळ्यांनी डेव्हलपमेंट केला आज डेव्हलपमेंटा लागून तुम्ही जी उतरां घालता जे MLA गेले ते ती फोट तुम्ही तुमच्या फायद्या लागून गेले आनी तुम्ही आमचे वोट जिंकले आनी आमकां घात केलो सद्दां लोकांनी पाटक्यांक म्हणटाय ती माफी दिल्या पूण घातक्यांक माफी दिली ना आनी म्हाका दिसतली हे पाटी देखून हे सगळ्या घातक्यांक आख्खो गोंयचो लोक केन्ना माफी दिवपाना थँक्यू टिकेटीचे इश्यू इज नॉट द थिंग आज जी समस्या आमची मुखार दवरल्या दॅट इज हू आर गोइंग टू बी इन द रिंग कोण हे सगळ्या मनशांक धारण आनी कारेज जोडटा फेस करपाक That is why I am announcing today. I have always been there, aligned with the Congress. I have participated in most of their rallies, in all the agitations and everything. And I feel if the people also have inclined me to that, and the rest is left to the High Command and the seniors in Goa. Let it be Mr. Sardin, Mr. Luizin Valer, Digambar Kamath, Girish Chodankar, all the top brass. And my people, let them look into the constituency and see who they want. And I feel I will leave it up to the decision of them. Otherwise, we will go ahead. But my basic thing is that I am going ahead. Party approach no. I have friends all over. I take suggestions. What comes in my line of work to be done in my constituency, म्हाका जे हवा आसा आज एक डबल ट्रॅकिंग जावं कितें जावं हे इश्यू आमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आसा ते प्रोटेक्ट करपाक म्हजी पार्टी म्हाका बरे भाशेन सपोर्ट करतली आनी ते पार्टी लायन्स मुगे आयडिया बरो मॅच जाता तेच पार्टी हांव जॉयन जातो दिस इज द फ्रंट एंड द मेन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ what I am supposed to do and what I am going to do.
Suppose in Congress in ticket denied, you will contest?
Yes, I will contest.
Against Congress candidate?
No, I will not. Yeah, of course, I will have to contest against the Congress candidate. But that later on, I will make a decision looking at what candidacy they have given to whom. If there is going to be a point where there is a good candidate which they think they have appointed, of course I will maybe have to step down. But if I don't think that that man is aligned to me, I would certainly know him. So I will take a decision then and then. And my people also are backing me up everywhere that they would not tell me, Baba, whatever it is, you also can stand. If any other questions are there?
But Satya, the Congress party now.
No, I have never joined the Congress party. I am not a member also. Never.
You are there.
Till date, I have never joined because I was never into the political arena. But I supported a lot of campaigns. The ZP also is one. It came Nagaur, it came lead, which I was supporting her, the Congress candidate. And there are a lot of MLAs also in the past have supported for the elections and things like that. But I never joined as a member because then when you join as a member, you have to give a lot of time for that. And I was busy, in my business at
You
the
are
beginning.
putting the Congress ticket.
Pardon me?
You are putting the claim for the Congress ticket.
Yes, I would certainly appeal to the party to look into the matter and to base everything on today Congress party and Mr. Girish Chodhankar yesterday also and everybody, the entire party is saying that they want a youth, they want young people to run around, they want real workers, they want real soldiers. So we are looking into that, and I think so. According to them only, I see myself fit into it.
Have you spoken to the Congress leader?
Pardon me.
Have you spoken to the Congress leader?
My talks are on. In the coming few weeks, basically, I'll be having my proper agenda in front of them, and they are also Congress are looking into doing things. But the basic point is not only Congress. We are looking at human beings today standing for elections. Proper people who have the ability to do things for the people. Party gives you a 50% good chance of winning, but people also are looking for true goals, which will be standing for them. I look at that, I look at politics in that way. A personalized matter where the human being has to be elected. Yes, the party gives you a support and things like that, but we need good human beings to be in this politics, in this government, in this Goa, to run Goa basically, and to voice out for us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You can have some.